Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a subscriber list in Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on the Audience tab in your Klaviyo dashboard. When the drop-down menu opens, click on Lists and Segments. In the top right corner, you'll see an option to Create New. Click on it, then select Create List. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your list. Be sure to choose a name that reflects the purpose of your list, as this will help you stay organized. You can also add tags to further categorize your list if needed. Once you've filled in these details, click Create List. Now that your list is created, it's time to upload your contacts. Click on Upload Contacts, and then click on Upload. Select the CSV file from your computer that contains your subscribers. Make sure your file is formatted correctly before uploading. After uploading, you'll need to fill out some options. Check the appropriate boxes to match your import preferences, such as selecting the type of subscribers you're importing. Once everything is set, click Next. Here, you'll configure the settings for your list import. Review the settings carefully, then click Import. Your contacts will now be added to the list, and you can view them by returning to the Lists and Segments section. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.